Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a review of the brand new GHD Max wide plate professional styler. I received this I think it's been about 5 days ago now. It's really good. It's a really good straightener. I think it's only been out for about 3 weeks or so. For all the YouTubers and influencers, they got it first and then for test out and review. So I wanted to show you the iron and everything. So this is the box that it comes in, and as you can see, it's a lovely gold and black box. It's really nice. It's different to all the other GHD packaging. GHD Good Hair Day Max Professional Wide Plate Styler, quick and easy, sleek styling, ideal for long or thick hair. I'll read you all this thing at the back here. It's saying introducing GHD's advanced professional styler with wide plates for quick and easy sleek styling, ideal for long, thick or curly hair. Dual zone technology contains a patented heater system to control the optimum styling temperature of 185 degrees Celsius consistently across both plates, guaranteeing sleek and smooth results from root to tip, even on the thickest of hair, with no extreme heat. GHD's widely surface ceramic floating plates, smooth with high gloss coating to help eliminate frizz and provide enhanced shine. 70% larger plates, perfect for styling all types of hair quicker. Sleek rounded design with curved edges allows you to create perfect straight style, loose waves, snag free easily, gliding through hair with less breakage. Peace of mind, sleep mode switches off if not used for 30 minutes. Universal voltage, protective plate guard, professional 2.7 meter length cable with a 2-year warranty. And so I'll open it out. The iron sits in here, which I've actually taken it out, which I'll show you. It has your protective plate guard here. So when you're not using the iron, just pop that on there. Also in the box you have your important safety instructions and your manufacturer's guarantee. Now this is the styler. The new GHD Max with 70% larger wide plates. It's really good. It's kind of like blackish green, the plates, and is kind of like shimmery, I would say. I don't know if you can see that. See, it's kind of like greenish blackish plates. As you close the iron, the plates close perfectly. As you can see, there's no gaps, there's no nothing. It closes properly. Unlike the Platinum and the Eclipse and the Mark V stylers, it had like a gap. It had like a gap, so it wasn't really closing properly, and it wasn't really gripping your hair tightly properly. So when you straighten your hair, it wasn't gripping properly. But with the new Max, close it and it closes perfectly. It's got a good strong grip to it, so it's gonna grip your hair properly and straighten your hair really good. And the good thing is, because of the dual zone technology, you got 2 heat sensors, 2 in the bottom plate, 2 in the top plate. As soon as you clamp the GHD on your hair, the Max will actually detect your hair's natural thickness, and it'll detect how much hair you're actually putting in the plate of the iron. So it will automatically apply the correct temperature of 185 degrees. But I think it is actually self-regulating, because I think some people could be in the region of 175. I think if you got thin hair, you could be in the region of 175, but if you got thick hair like me, you'll be like 185. So that's really good, and I think it actually regulates the temperature 250 times per second, so which is really good. It's got a lovely new sleek design to it. You got the GHD logo here. It's silver and shiny on both sides. You got the swivel code here, 360 degrees swivel code with the GHD logo there. GHD Max there. Inside you have your model number and your date code, which is right here. Now I'll turn it on for you. It's got a different sound to as the previous GHDs. Okay, very quick to heat up. Right, here we go. There we go. How long did that take? 20 seconds, if that. Now I'll show you on my hair here. If I take this, clamp it, slowly pull it down, and you can see there in just one pass how straight it's made the hair already. Now one pass is enough, I would say, but if you have really thick hair, then I would say maybe do twice per section. And there you go. You can see how really well it straightens the hair. It's really good. Yeah, I love it. The GHD Max is really good. It's a wonderful straightener. It works well. Yeah, it's brilliant. And then to turn it off, press this button again and it makes the noise again. And there you go. And now it's switched off. Yeah, I highly recommend the GHD Max. Really good straightener. Yeah, it's brand new. I think it's only been out for 3 weeks. Really good. I highly recommend it. GHD is the ultimate best when it comes to hairstyling. It's the best brand that you can buy for hairstyling. It's, yeah, like I've used it since 2001 when GHD first launched in the UK, and yeah, it's taken the whole hairdressing world by storm. And yeah, just, you know, professional salons use this. You know, at Fashion Week and things like that, people will not do a runway show unless their hair is not styled with GHD. You know, runway shows will not go ahead if you know, they don't use GHD. You know, that's how really good it is. Alright, so I'm going to leave it here. I hope you enjoyed this little review of the brand new GHD Max styler. If you have any comments, you know, any questions, anything like that, please leave them down below, and I'll get back to you. You know, I can't wait until lockdown is finished. Non-essential retail here in the UK, it opens on the 12th of May, and I can't wait because, as you can see, I desperately need to have a haircut. And yeah, I've grown my hair for 6 months now, and for me this is way too long, you know, so I can't wait for all the salons to reopen again and I can have a haircut. So okay, so thank you for joining me today. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.